Good morning, everyone. My name is Anja Misinlao. So, our topic for today is techniques and samples. So, one question. It raised a questions or hierarchical questions which the articles may or not try to explore and discuss examples. You are not aware that ironing late at nights is dangerous or who does not know about Dota and GOG. So, kung ang tanong ay magtatanong kung anong uri o tanong na ginagamit para sa nagpapahayag ng punto na pagbuo ng isang pahayag. So, kaysa naman sa pagkakaroon ng sagot, ang mga halimbawa na ibinigay, you are not aware that ironing at night is dangerous are you. And who does not know about Dota and COC ay pareho ang mga rhetorical questions. Ito ay mga tanong na hindi nagharap ng sagot dahil alam nang magbabalik ang sagot o itong direktang nagsasabing may sagot. Ang rhetorical questions ay ginagamit sa pagbuo o nagpapalalim ng isang mensahe sa constructions ng tanong. Ito ay nagtatanong kung ano ang uri tanong na ibibigay sa mga halimbawa. So next is number 2. Strolling statements or exclamations that may be used to compel attention examples. Food ballot. Such statement and hook the streets of Manila in front of the Malacanang Palace. As warrior from gift of God, interest in Bohol protested about the killing in Kidapawan. That's incredible, a college graduate at 10 years old. So, dyan po sa number 2, ang simula po ng pahayag o pagkilos na ginagamit upang magbigay ng attentions o palakasin ang punto. Halimbawa po, ibinigay po yung food nut ballots at that incredible college graduate at 16 years old ay parehong pahayag o pagkilos na ginagamit upang mapalakas ang damdamin o magbigay ng malalim na mensahe. Ginagamit ito sa talumpati, protesta o iba pang at sitwasyons kailangan na pagkilos. So number 3, striking statement is an enticing piece of information in a short punchy format. It adds suspense. Example: if you think that children do not understand Bible, think again. The greatest fighter in the whole world is from a third world country. So, ibig sabihin po, yung number 3, ang malalim na pahayag, isang impaktibong impormasyon na pinapakita ng maikli at mga pangyarihan na paraan. Ito ay desisyon para mapanatili ang atensyon ng mababalik o maging malalim ang epekto. Sa mga halimbawa na ibinigay, if you think that children do not understand, Bible, think again at the greater fighter in the whole world is from a third world country ay parehong malalim na napahayag. Ito ay maikling nagpapakita ng informations, desisyon para intention ay mapalala ng damdamin o nagkakaroon ng malalim na epekto. So, Number 4. Descriptive technique is it used to draw the readers into the story by creating a strong image in his or her mind. The words are colorful and concrete enough for the reader to appreciate and feel the ideas presented in the story. For example, as the sun beats cover goodbye for one hot tiring day, ideas of the left, the green robust hills on the right are in wedding surface and twisted of the majesty landscape of Bataan Islands in front of me the blush ocean whose waves are unendingly racing toward the rocky borders of the hill sittings a nearly century-old bench. I hear the tourists rancher lecture on this. I feel lucky salty breeze that fills away an anxiety. I see person instructions and stress of their life. God, I am the Batanes. So, ibig sabihin po, ang descriptive technique is ito ay nagbibigay ng context o isang halimbawa ng description. So, description technique. So, ipinapakita ito ng technique o pagbuo ng malalim na bibig na imahe sa isipan ng mambabalik. Gumamit ang manululat ng ibang deskriptibong salita at pangungusap upang may pakita ang settings o lugar sa kwento. So, sa ibinigay na halimbawa, ginagamit ang manunulat ang mga salitang green robust hills, majesty landscape, blushes and oceans at rocky borders. So, upang may pakita ang settings ng Batanes, binibigyan din niya ang mga tunog at damdamin na naugnay sa settings, tulad ng pagtawa ng mga turista at malalalim na hangin na nagbibigay katwiran. So next is number 5. Summary techniques. So this sums up the general topic of the story but does not follow the inverted triangle example. At an early age, Toton and Jay serve as the breadwinners of their families by selling cigarette, newspaper by the day, and represents the growing number of the child workers in poor urban communities.